Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with another video. I missed my wigs so much. You guys know I've been rocking braids for the past week now, and I was over it. Okay, I was like, I can't wait to go back to the wigs. So I'm very excited to be like back. Anyways, so for today's look, I'll be using a wig that I received from Nadula hair. You guys are very familiar with them on my channel because I reviewed them a couple times. So for today's fresh first day back look, I'll be using a wig from them, and the wig that I'll be using today is their Brazilian body wave wig. It's 22 inch, 180% density. I'm not sure if I tried their body wave before, but I know that I tried their curly hair and straight hair. So I don't think that I tried body wave yet, but we're doing that today. So this is what the box looks like when you receive your wig. Inside the box you will find your wig in a nice plastic bag. You will also find this little hair card thingy that just shows you how to wash, apply, and take care of the hair. Also gives you their social handles and a wig cap and some lashes. So let's get to this wig because I'm so ready, you guys. I'm so ready to put this wig on my head and just I miss it so much. So this is the wig. Let me take this out. Y'all see me? I don't even give a fuck. I'm throwing everything on the floor like. Alright guys, so this wig is actually a lace closure front, I would call it. I was confused. I thought it was a lace front, but it's actually like a lace closure, I think. This is what the lace looks like, so you guys can see what I mean. See, this part right here is like a closure, and the rest of the wig is like a lace. It has 3 combs inside, 2 right here, 1 on the bottom, and also adjustable straps. This is what the wig looks like. Like I said, the texture is body wave. The hair is really soft, as you guys can see. No tangles, no shedding so far. It has a nice and full density. You guys see how bouncy and soft this hair is. I've never really tried a lace closure wig before, so this is actually my first time. We shall see how this comes out. The quality is nice. This wig is also very affordable, so I'm also very familiar with their textures because I told you guys that I've tried out their wigs like 2 or 3 times now. I kind of already know what to expect when it comes to their quality and their wigs and all that. But so I'm about to go ahead and cut this lace off this little closure, apply her, so we can get to the next step, y'all, because I'm ready. I'm ready to look good. I'm ready to slay this wig. I am just ready. Alright guys, so this is what the wig currently looks like on. This closure looks really good, and it also has a baby hairs. The hair feels nice and soft and light on my head and everything. This curl pattern is actually really cute. I wish I could wear it like this, but I think I messed it up already, so I'm gonna have to wand curl it. You guys, I need to get me a curling iron because I'm tired of wearing wand curls. I don't really like wand curls. I like this type of curl, but you can't really get that. That's like a natural wavy pattern, but whatever. It comes with no parting, so you could party wherever you want to, but because it is a closure, you can't really, like, you know, do a side part all the way right here. You can basically just do a middle part or like a half up half down situation, but you have to like hide it really good. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and style this wig. Of course I'm gonna do a middle part, and I'm just gonna clean up the curls because they already look decent to me. You guys know I love messy hair, so I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna try not to curl the whole thing because y'all know I'm lazy and I'm ready to, like, you know, have this look done. I'm also gonna do my baby hairs, and pretty much gonna be it for this look. So I will see you guys once the look is complete. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I did some quick warm curls to this hair and I think it came out pretty good. I was kind of like rushing because I'm in a rush. I gotta go and I don't got time to sit here all the curling hair, but I'm really happy with this look. This hair was very soft, easy to curl, shiny, very light, no shedding, and also very affordable. It's literally the perfect on-the-go type of wig. You could curl it, you could straighten it, you could bleach it, you could do whatever you want to it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure to check out Nadula hair. I will leave their link down below and also the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.